Okay, I'm going to go ahead and record for assignment 2, assignment 202, this time at least the actual implementation. So this is my code here. So it essentially has the parts that we talked about in the first video: final list, min max, display item, display top, output file, chosen file, hello screen. And this is my main function right here. So we have a flag, and while the flag is basically run over and over again, so the user can go through it over and over again. I'll actually play it. So you can see here that it asks, hello user, please input 1, 2, or 3 for the file that you want. And then if we want to exit, we can hit 0. So let's say I want to make a stem leaf char of 2. It's going to give me 2, and it's going to create this stem plot right here. And then it's going to ask me again. I can input 1. It's going to show me the stem plot for 1. I'm going to input 3, and it's going to show all of it for 3. And then if I want to exit, I can hit 0, and there we go. It's exited. So one of the things that going through the main file, you can see that it calls in the while loop. It calls the hello screen operator, the function, and then it calls output file, min max, display top, and final list. So for the printing out section, basically what is happening is I figured that so these are two printing places. Display, I originally had these two in one, so display top and display items were together at once, but I realized that I needed actually to just have the top could stay stagnant because it's just a title, right? The bottom is what really needs to be iterated over, and that's why I have these two different ones. So display item is going to take this final list, and it's this final list is basically what's already, this is basically the entire list. It has this middle bracket, and it's an entire list that's already been organized through final list. So final list is then going to, as you can see here, sort. It's inserted the numbers, and it's inserted the bracket, and it then just sends it to display items. Display items is just going to print over it, and it's going to go through it one by one, and it's going to print out just the lines in a somewhat nice format. And so that's basically how both of the prints, and then display top is just a regular print. And then for hello screen, it's just a regular greeting for hello users. So apart from that, they are very friendly, the files. So I suppose a way that you can sort of get around that in my code, I was thinking, obviously you have more than 3 files. That would probably be number 1. But number 2 would probably be not just including numbers, but also including letters and things like that, letters, column numbers that maybe aren't part of the data set would also be something else that you can really try to work with. So yeah, letters would probably be number 1.